Students, in previous class you have learnt about properties of whole numbers. Today I am going to teach you problems based on algebraic properties of whole numbers. Example 1. Fill in the blanks in the following true statements. Fill in the blanks. Example 1. Fill in the blanks in the following true statement. 359 plus 476 is equal to 476 plus blank. You have to insert appropriate number in blank and justify that the given answer is correct or true. So we put 359 plus 476 is equal to 476 plus 359. On changing in order, the sum of both numbers will be same. Example number 2. Add each of the following and also add them changing their order. उदाहरण 2 में ये कहा गया है कि निम्नलिखित अंकों को जोड़ो और पुनः उसे क्रम को बदलने पर उसका योगफल ज्ञात करो. Example 2. In example 2, we are given 5 to 8 plus 7, 8, 4. Adding 5 to 8 plus 7, 8, 4. Adding we get 5 to 8 to 7, 8, 4. We have 8 4 12 और 2 10 11 7 5 12 13. We have 1312. On changing its order, on changing its order 7, 8, 4 plus 5 to 8 is equal to 8 4 12 और 2 10 11 7 5 12 13. So the sum will be same. If we change the digit, then the sum will be same. Similarly, example 3, find the sum by suitable arrangement. Find the sum by suitable arrangement. 953 plus 407 plus 647. You have to find the sum by suitable rearrangement. पुनः व्यवस्थित कर इसे जोड़ने के लिए कह रहा है. 953 प्लस example 3. In example 3, find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. पुनः व्यवस्थित कर इसका योगफल ज्ञात करें. फाइंड द सम बाय on changing its digit. We question is 953 one number, 953 plus 407 plus 647 plus 647. Here we write in order 953, solve 953 plus 647. We write both number in bracket and write 407 outside the bracket. 407. 953 plus 647 plus 407. Adding we get 1600 plus 407. Adding we have 70 2007, the answer. So by suitable rearrangement, the sum is 2007. And similarly, you can solve example 4. In example 4, do same as example 3. Now example 5, find the product by suitable rearrangement. Now you have to find the product by a suitable rearrangement. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. पुनः व्यवस्थित कर गुना करें. Find the product by a suitable rearrangement. Question is 25 into 8358. 25 into 8358. 25 into 8358 into 4. Into 4. By using suitable arrangement, the multiplication process will solve by easy method. So we rearrange and write 25 into 4. If you multiply 25 into 83, 25 into 8354, 8358 into 4. We write as 25 into we write 25 into 4 multiplied by 8358. Multiplying 25 and 4, we have 100 into 8358. You have learnt in previous class, if you multiply by 100, then we write 20 in product. So the process will become easy by suitable rearrangement. If you have to multiply, then you try to rearrange the digit, because the problem will be solved easily. In example 6, find the value of the following using distributive property. वितरण गुण का प्रयोग करते हुए निम्नलिखित का मान ज्ञात करें. 15 into 68. Example 6. No. Example 6. Find the value of the following. Example 6. Example 6. Find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. Using distributive property. Using distributive property. You have learnt in previous class what is distributive property. I have taught you that if A, B and C are three whole numbers, then A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. You have learnt because you have learnt in previous class distributive property of multiplication over addition. So using this property we can solve example 6. 15 multiplied with 68. 15 into 68. 15 into 68. Using distributive property you can write 15 into 60 plus 8. You can write 15 into 68 as 15 into 60 plus 8 is equal to 15 into 60 plus 15 into 8. Using this property, multiplication process will easily proved. 900. If you multiply 15 by 60, the product is 900 plus. If we multiply 15 by 8, 120 as product. Now we add 900 plus 120 is equal to 1020. So using this distributive property, you can multiply any number. Now example number Example 12. Find the property by a suitable rearrangement. Find the property by suitable rearrangement. Example 12 of this exercise. Example 12. Example 12 is find the product. Find the product. Find the product by a suitable rearrangement. By a suitable rearrangement. By a suitable rearrangement. 4 into 1225 multiplied with 25. The question is 4 into 1225 into 25. You can write 4 into 25 in bracket, 25 into bracket, and outside bracket we write 1225. Multiplying 25 by 4, 100. We have 100 into 125, 1225. After multiplying, the product is 1225 double zero. So this law is called, you have learnt associative property of whole numbers. So using this property, using this associative property, you can multiply if you are given 2 or 3 or 4 numbers, whole numbers. Now, some more examples have been left in this chapter exercise, and now you can try to solve, and in next class I will start exercise 2.2. If you have problem, then you can ask me in next class. Thank you.